everybody, it's Allie from Padfoot Palms, and we got the crew here hanging out downstairs. We're relaxing a little bit. Everybody except Rocky, who has been up all night. Her temperature has dropped to 97, so we know we'll be having puppies in the next 24 hours. With Rocky, she usually does a lot of digging and panting and shaking and wanting to get under things. So I made her a little makeshift den here beside me underneath the couch. So it is now 8:30 and I anticipate that we will have a litter of puppies probably by 10 or 11. So she's doing pretty good. She's kind of up and down, can't really get comfortable. This is the same thing she did last time. So this is pretty standard for her. So yeah. We'll just keep an eye on her and see how it goes. Isn't that right, Rocky? Yes, he's a good girl. Okay, it is now almost 10 o'clock, and yes, you're a good girl. I'm just laying here in the bed with Rocky, just petting her, trying to make her feel better. She's doing a lot of panting, so Suze went to go get some ice, because sometimes dogs, they won't drink water, but they'll lick a little piece of ice. So I'm gonna see if I can get her to rehydrate a little bit, because she's been panting for quite some time. So puppies are moving around in there. They're rocking and rolling. And I think she's just getting ready. Okay. Yeah, you're a good girl. Okay, good. All right, she's gonna lay down. So I'm gonna let her relax. Okay, we're just laying here with Rocky. She's panting.
She's chanting.
Oh, panting.
Panting and chanting.
Yeah. So we're just
Rocky
laying here with her, trying to keep her company. Let her know she's got support. And we'll just see how it goes. Hey guys. Wow. I'm looking rough. Okay, we're gonna try this again. So, wow. Today has been insane. So, starting at about 5 o'clock, Rocky went into active labor and was just pushing out puppies left and right. So she did have 5 puppies, which is what we saw on the x-ray. There are 4 merles and 1 solid lavender. So I'm gonna try to cut to the chase for you here. She had the puppies. It was a very lengthy process. And when she was done, she was pretty exhausted. So we got her into the whelping box since she had the puppies on the bed. And then I went to go check on Twix, and poor Twix, she's producing like way too much milk for 2 puppies. So in a matter of, I don't know, 8 hours, I mean, she was just completely full. I mean, they were all tight. It was bad. So I said, okay, we're gonna take some of Rocky's puppies and put them on Twix. So we took the 2 small, we originally took the three puppies, put them on Twix, the 2 smallest, and then the solid lavender. So we got them on Twix and got her all squared away so that she was no longer full of milk. And I was really hoping to be able to leave the 2 smallest puppies over with Twix because she's already producing way too much milk anyway. And that way those puppies wouldn't have to fight so hard for food, and you know, they wouldn't be in a litter of 5. As it turns out, Rocky can count, and she wasn't having it. It was just causing her way too much stress to have, you know, 2 of her puppies still over in the box with Twix. So I just went ahead and brought them over and gave them to her. So I think that what we'll do is continue to take the smallest puppies over to Twix for feedings multiple times a day and multiple times a night, to both ensure that Twix doesn't end up with mastitis, for one, and to help ensure that they're getting enough food. You know, because with 5 puppies, there's quite a bit of competition. So anyway, that's where we are right now. Everybody is warm and nursing. Somebody's whining right now. Everybody's quiet on Twix's side. So yeah, I am completely exhausted. Suze is taking a shower. She's trying to spend some time with the other dogs since we were kind of out of pocket this evening. And then she's gonna come in and relieve me so that I can go take a shower. And then I will be in here for the rest of the night. So it's been pretty wild. We'll see how it goes. We'll keep you updated.